Hey YouTubers, guess what I found flying around the house today? Say hi, little buddy. Say hi. Say hi. You flying around the house and I captured you in a trash can? Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Yeah. Sorry about the trash in there. I didn't know it was there. I mean to catch you with trash. Yeah. Yeah, you're such a cute little birdie. Yes. Cute little birdie. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Look at that. Alright. So, let's go set this little bugger free. Alright, little buddy. It's time to be freed. Here you go. Go ahead. Fly away. Come on. Here, I'll help you out. Come on. Fly away. That was my cool, good deed of the day. There you go.